Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys infinix phone guys Wi-Fi problem guys, how can we fix? Friends, we want to fix guys your infinix phone guys phone Wi-Fi problem. So how can we fix today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting to fix guys your phone Wi-Fi problem. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it, and once you can see guys your phone the system setting guys, tap on guys your phone system setting, then guys we will tap here guys. So guys, after on system setting guys, you can see guys the reset option guys, tap here and guys click on guys your phone Wi-Fi, and we will tap here to fix. So guys, you can see guys the notification guys. So guys, friends, you have your guys your pin and guys any pattern and password. So guys, enter your device pin and guys continue guys, tap here to fix guys your infinix phone guys Wi-Fi setting guys. So Wi-Fi setting will reset, and guys Wi-Fi problem will fix in our infinix phone device after 10 and 15 seconds. So fans, come back and fans, you can use guys your phone Wi-Fi setting in your infinix phone device. So like that guys, we can fix Wi-Fi network problem in our infinix phone device. So bye guys.